Have you think about this question? Why is the effective dehumidification range of the dehumidifier so small? What determines the dehumidification range? Moist air cannot diffuse on its own, and effective dehumidification can only be achieved by effectively circulating the moist air from the distance to the dehumidifier. That is to say, moisture can only be eliminated where wind can reach. Let me introduce a long-range ductless jet flow dehumidifier. It pioneered the field of refrigerated dehumidifiers in China. Designed for various environments such as warehouse, factory, shopping mall, swimming pool, equipment room, basement, and underground space. Having an absolute leading advantage in various large space applications. The airflow range is up to 35 meters, and wind speed remains 0.3 meter per second, and the direct effective dehumidification area is 1,225 square meters. It offers significant energy savings, with one unit equal to 5 to 10 industrial dehumidifiers in terms of power consumption. Due to the range of work area is more than 20 times that of common dehumidifiers on sale, and its low rated power, it can save over 90% of electricity power. It without air ducts has a flexible installation position and wide dehumidification range. The two types of equipment, ceiling and mobile, are almost not limited by the usage situation and can meet the needs of most occasions.